Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On my way home from vacation, we were traveling home with another family that also has a travel trailer. It got late and my lights went on in my truck. Well, they noticed that my running lights were not functioning at night. I didn't know what was going on. We checked the left turn signal, we checked the right turn signal, and we checked the brakes, and all three of those were working. Let me walk you through what I did. The first thing I did was just to check and see if my plug was plugged in correctly. And it was. The second thing I did was take a look inside the terminals of my 7-pin plug to see if they were corroded, or if there's anything going wrong, or if any of the terminals had broken off. Looked good. Next, I took a look at my truck to see if inside there, if any of those terminals were corroded or broken or damaged. Looks good in there too. Here's the best part. When I finally found out what it was, it didn't have anything to do with my camper at all. It was actually my truck. Now I drive a Ram 1500. It's a 2019 style. And I took a look under the hood. You will find the fuse box. And it was actually just a $5 20 amp fuse. Real easy fix. Let me show you what it looks like under here. All right, we're here under the hood of my truck, and at the front left corner underneath is my fuse box. On this style, there's two latches to press in. And underneath, you'll find a diagram of all the fuses and what they do. Down here, you can see that these fuses run trailer tow backup, trailer stop turn lamp for the left, trailer stop turn lamp for the right, trailer tow park lamp, and that's the one that was burnt out. Now, I am not a mechanic by any means, so all these things I'm showing you are just trial and error. I'm just a regular guy, but this is how I fixed my trailer lights. I just took a regular set of pliers. This is the fuse that I believed was out. Grab it, pull straight up. Now they say you can tell when a fuse is bad by looking at it to see if it's burnt, but I can't really see anything there. So I'm just going to use a multimeter to see if it is actually working. Here's the multimeter I used. I'm not getting paid for this advertisement, but I just use a cheap one. I turn it to 2K in the ohms area. And when I test a good fuse, it should read 0. Here's a brand new fuse that I bought at AutoZone. Again, not getting paid for any of this. You can see on the readout here, it's just 1. This is the good fuse. And let's take a look at when I put the 2 leads and touch the metal pieces inside the fuse. Make sure they're touching. I get a reading of 0. So that is a good fuse. Now here's the fuse that I thought was bad. Use my multimeter and I get nothing. So that tells me that fuse is bad. Go ahead and replace the fuse. Simply take the new fuse, push it into place, replace the lid, all done. There you have it. My running lights now work, and it was $5 fix. Again, thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe.